Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be cooking a prawn dhansak. Really popular hot, sweet, sour dish. We're going to need about a handful of 6 to 8 prawns. That's the prawns we use. You guys can put whatever prawns you like. 2 teaspoons of oil, teaspoon of garlic and ginger paste, 2 teaspoons of tomato puree, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, sprinkle of Kasuri Methi, 3 teaspoons of pre-cooked dhal, 2 teaspoons of desi style mixed powder, and then you've got 1 teaspoon of chilled chili, which is just chili powder, a 1/4 pint of base gravy. You need less base gravy because the dhal will take a lot of liquid up. You've got 2 sprinkles of coriander. So yeah, thanks for commenting, subscribing and liking. Please feel free to ask me any questions. I've been helping a lot of people on YouTube at the moment. I've given them tips, and I hope I've helped with their cooking. So please feel free to comment. Any pre-cooked stuff like the dhal, the base gravy. If you go in my description box below, there is a link to how to cook all that if you're unsure. Cool, let's get going then. Prawn dhansak. Okay, so we're ready for prawn dhansak. Small prawns, 6 to 8 prawns. Okay, so we've got a couple of teaspoons of oil. I've let that heat up for about 30 seconds. Then I've got garlic and ginger paste. You just need about a teaspoon of garlic and ginger paste. Just want it to brown, really. Then tomato puree, 2 teaspoons. 5 seconds. I mean, it depends how powerful your cooker is. And then a couple of teaspoons of our lemon dressing, lemon juice. Then you've got 2 teaspoons of our desi style mixed powder. And a teaspoon of our chilled chili. If it's starting to stick to the pan, just add a bit of base gravy at this point. Mine's okay. But you want to put it on low gas so it's mixing in together. And then you have Kasuri Methi sprinkle. And then a couple of teaspoons of sugar. A little bit of base gravy as it's kind of getting slightly we normally do this really quick because we're on service, but where it's a demo, I'm doing it slowly and things are starting to stick a little bit. And then you have about 3 tablespoons of our pre-cooked dhal. And now you want to put it on low gas. Let all that mix in, let the dhal melt in nicely into the sauce. And you've got about a handful of prawns. You could put a little bit more. I'll put a little bit less because it's only a demo. But you can put as much as you want, as little as you want. You want to let that cook in, but not. You want to be quite quick and put in the base gravy in. You don't want to delay any time because the prawns will overcook and they'll get very rubbery. So as soon as you put the prawns in, give it one mix and quickly put the base gravy in. It's not like chicken and lamb where you can just take your time. With the prawns, you've got to. If the sauce is too runny, you want to put a little bit more pre-cooked dhal in. And if the sauce is too thick, then you just want to add a little bit of base gravy. Like I said, these are already pre-cooked prawns, so you just want them warm up. You just want the spices to mix in a little bit. You don't want to give it too much time. So you add a sprinkle of coriander. I've literally give that sort of about 2.5 minutes. I think 3 minutes max for prawns. The king prawns, they're completely raw. Scrape around the sides and then mix the scraping the bottom, mix the curry together. Good. Okay, then you just add a little bit of coriander on top, and there you have it. Nice hot, sweet and sour prawn dhansak.